This is probably like the worst unboxing I'm ever going to do. I hope so, at least. But my friend is on their way into the city, and I'm supposed to meet them at the train station and just walk around the city. Anyhow, so my package arrived, and of course I did not open it because I wanted to open it up with you. So let's get this poppin'. See, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna give you the full view. Here we go. I ordered 2 pair, and let's just hope they turn out to be what I was expecting. This is like, I'll do the whole backstory in a second, okay? I arrived at what I felt like was a reasonable time, and of course there was just still a huge line waiting for this Renaissance tour. One thing about me though was I was super happy to be in good company. I'm glad that I was not the only one in trainers, sneakers, and just something flat. Ooh la la. Fashion wise, I was also in good company because as you see, everyone else is just wearing jeans and something simple, and so was I. But anyhow, I stayed up that night and did my best to just stay awake because I had to actually get back on a flight and come back to the US right away. So I stayed up chit chatting with you, telling you about how the journey went and how amazing the concert was. And then I got the great idea to just order some shoes because my feet were hurting so bad. So let's crack them open. Look. Oh, nice. That's cute. Not give these shoes the unboxing that they deserve. So while the sun is out, I am going to do my best to capture just how beautiful these shoes are. Oh my God, they're stunning. All right, so let's unbox. While I'm unboxing, I'll go ahead and read the paper that's inside of it. It says the form of the Saysh One is inspired by the lines of a wrap dress, which creates an undeniably feminine shape through a flowing design that every woman knows is flattering and chic for the everyday. The lines that denote a running track. I love that. That was so creative. The Saysh One offers the support we need while maintaining an elegant silhouette with a sculptural heel piece that both fits the female foot and is fitting of her lifestyle. She is so on point with this. I love this design team. They did an amazing job with this shoe. Now that we've unboxed, right, I'm super excited because these are adorable. Like, I wasn't expecting them to be this cute, and I honestly was a little hesitant on getting the black ones because I was like, honestly, I'm one of those people who don't like the white strip around my shoes when they're black. I prefer that they're black too, but this, oh my gosh, this is cute. This is really cute. They're lightweight. I'm excited. I'm wearing a white underneath this shirt, so I think I'm gonna rock the white. I could always change my shirt, right? Yes. Okay, so I think I'm actually gonna wear the black ones. I'm going to go and change. No, I'm not gonna change my shirt. I'm gonna keep it the same color that it is and let you know that I am wearing my thinners, not the thinnest socks that I have with these. I'm actually wearing these about, I don't know how thick that is, but they're definitely thicker than my thinnest sock that I own. You know what I mean? So we're going for a walk. I'm super excited. I can't make up my mind which pair I should wear. They're both so cute. I love these more, to be honest. Like this is beautiful. But the way I'm feeling right now, I think I should put these on. It rained last night, so the ground is probably still a little bit wet, and I definitely don't want to get these dirty just yet. Oh, that's a thought. I could go get them. No, we're not getting these dirty, not yet. Okay, so I'm gonna put these back in the box. Hopefully these fit. Let's do that real quick. Let's put these on. Right? Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. This is so cute. It's cute. All right, let's put it on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. These, oh my god. So I ordered a size 9. I'm right? Yeah, I did. I ordered a size 9. Um, oh my god, that felt so good. I'm gonna put these on. Okay, I gotta get out of here because my friend's waiting for me at the train station and I'm being rude. So I'm going to finish this video and we'll get back to how amazing these shoes are, okay? So it worked out perfectly that I was meeting up with a friend to walk around the city and I could test these shoes out at the same time. We walked all the way from Penn Station down to Battery Park City and crossed over to the Brooklyn Bridge. I'll go ahead and calculate maybe that this was a 3-mile walk within that first day. So we're still on our walk throughout the city. I'm putting my miles as much as possible on these shoes. Oh, they feel so good. I'm feeling great walking around the city in these. These were definitely a great purchase. When I tell you I'm obsessed with these walking shoes, they feel so good. Allison and her team put so much work into this that they feel like no other walking shoe I've ever had before. I'm so obsessed to the point I walked all the way to Cali. I ended up with some weird mark on the shoe. I have no idea what it was, but that kind of encouraged me to go ahead and see how dirty I could get them. And then the temptation set in to walk them into the water. But I'm not that experimental. Instead, I went to stop on some rocks and I found stairs to climb. I did it all in these shoes, minus getting them wet. Okay, actually, wait a minute. I did take a walk on them in the rain. These Saysh are just a different type of walking shoe that I'm so impressed. I walked all the way to London. After doing all that walking in different cities and in different countries, it was time to bring these on home. I had a blast in these. These are the most they're totally different. These are the most comfortable shoes I have worn in a very long time. I definitely did not have any fatigue walking in them, and now it's time to do what we do, and that's get them clean. I am impressed with how clean they came out. That scuff mark that was originally on one of the shoes disappeared. I have no idea what it was in the first place. I will say that yes, I have a little scraping on the rubber, but that is to be expected when you're pretty much stomping around on any shoe that you own. And just in case you're wondering, I did. Oh, there's a bee. Oh, there's a bee. No. Okay, it's gone. Whatever. Oof. Go away, go away, go away. Okay. Anyways, just in case you're wondering, my shoe's dirty again on the backside. But I did wash them and I've been wearing them again just faithfully as I normally do as an everyday shoe, with a couple switches here and there for other shoes that I do wear. And again, the shoe is just amazing. Like, it does not really get too dirty, but again, remember how I said I don't prefer shoes that have the white rubber on the bottom. I actually like them better when they have the black rubber, and this is part of the reason why, like, you can actually see that more. So I am hoping that she comes out with a walking shoe that is black on black, because I'll be straight there. I'll be the first one to sign up and get them. That's the only thing that I dislike about my shoe, is that the black on white, with the black on white rubber. Other than that, the shoe, I'm telling you, this is an everyday classic walking shoe. I love it.
It is now winter time in New York, and of course, we actually, you know what? We actually haven't had any snow, but I would not be tempted to take them out on the snow for a test. Trust me when I tell you, these are just high quality shoes. And if you have made it this far into the video and you're still on the fence about purchasing these Saysh Ones, do not hesitate on getting your feet into these. As always, thank you for hanging out with me. I hope I gave you enough detail on why you need these Saysh Ones in your collection. Trust me, these are the shoes that your feet deserve.